Well, hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. If you happen to be new here to my channel, I'm Christy, and if you are part of my YouTube family, welcome back. I hope that each and every one of you had a wonderfully blessed Christmas, but you guys know what time it is. It is time to get cooking, and I have a super easy slow cooker meal for you today. Now, I have seen this all over social media. It's been on TikTok and Pinterest and Facebook, and I've been seeing this for a while, and I've had a few people even ask me about this. So I'm going to give it a try today. It's for an Olive Garden chicken pasta in the slow cooker. Just uses a few ingredients. So let me go over those with you and show you just how to make it. So I'm using 1.5 pounds of the chicken tenderloins, but you could use chicken breasts or even chicken thighs if you want. That's completely up to you. And then an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, a 16-ounce bottle of the Olive Garden Italian dressing, and then you'll need a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and then 1 pound of pasta. Now I'm using spaghetti. This is a 2-pound box, so I'll just be using half of this, but you can use penne pasta, pretty much any pasta that you want. All right, so I've added my chicken tenderloins to my slow cooker. All right, then I'm going to add my cream cheese. All right, then 1 cup of Parmesan. And then add the whole bottle of salad dressing. All right, and then cover it. And you can cook this on low for 6 to 8 hours, or you can cook it on high for 3 to 4 hours. So now I'm going to shred the chicken using 2 forks. And then stir everything together. And then add the cooked pasta. So this dish could not be any easier. I just love using my slow cooker. I love it when you can dump ingredients in, turn on your slow cooker, walk away, and then you have this fabulous dinner. And this looks and smells delicious. All right, it's time to give this a try. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day, a very happy new year. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.